your storytelling.
My name is Fadil Maran. My name is Fadil Maran. I'm telling you I tell it. Story name Captain Monkey. And upon a time, Captain telling the cap 1 year to annihilate nightfall under the tree. The captain put the basket under the tree and under the tree, Captain under the tree. Under the tree. Every morning, woke up in all 10 years. So the turn, monkey the turn. I Captain. So the basket, all monkeys wear the basket. So we are the basket. I like cap, happy, Mother the story, sing, why?